Alright guys, Honey Jefe here. It's Friday, February the 20th. It's about 3:45 here in Bossier. Low 50s, high 67. So it's a little game planning today. What am I going to do? I'm here at the cow pasture apiary. I'm going to pick up all the empty jars that I can so I can go use my other. Look here. Don't see any new hives knocked over. I got 1, 2 empty jars over there in hives number 2 and 3, or 3 and 4. Those guys are taking it down kind of slow. That one's about halfway done. There might be an empty jar there. It's 1, 2, maybe 3. I got 1 half-gallon jug right there I can take. The other one's almost empty. I can pour that in a smaller jar. So I can, these right here, I can save those. 1 per hive because it holds a lot more volume. Alright, and 1, 2, 3. It looks like these over here on the very end, look like they're all empty. I think I was concerned about this second one from the end not having a lot of bees in there, and they could have been robbed out. For all we know, I may pop the top. I really don't want to put on a bee suit and do all this. I'm not going to be lighting up a smoke or anything like that. But so I have a couple more apiaries to look at. So how many hives? 1, 2. How many hives will I be able to treat? 2, 3. Yeah, probably not all of them. 4. I'll need to get some more jars. All right, guys. I'm kind of look at this last one here. I'm gonna stare at it for a little minute, at least until see if I see any bees coming in. Well, there's a bee coming out. That's 1 bee. You know, if these guys are getting robbed out and they some wild bees took the Norroa, good for them. It's a little bit chilly. These cows are making a beeline to my... All right, guys, Honey Jefe here. It's bound to go.